Beginning in 2019, SMGA will adopt a new online registration and payment program developed by Golf Genius called Tournament Manager. Tournament Manager is more robust than the old GIN TPP system used in the previous 2 years. However, it will require a little training to get used to the differences between that program and GIN TPP. This is the first tutorial on the new system, designed to acquaint you with the differences in the SMGA website, which have been developed to complement Tournament Manager. The primary differences occur under the Event Information tab and the General Information tab. For the purposes of this tutorial, we have loaded the information from Event 36 in 2018, the Frequent Players Tournament, to demonstrate how these things will be different under the Tournament Management Program. Looking at pairings at tee times, you can see that they are arranged by both tee time and by individual. And you'll also notice that you can print either tab for your convenience. Also under Event Info, the Recent Results tab. Once again, we've used data from the Frequent Players Tournament. Notice that there are 3 categories of information which you can pull up on any recent tournament. The player purse summary showing who's won money, the individual stroke report about who shot what, and who won closest to the pin. We can look at each one in sequence and then erase each in sequence. Under the General Information tab, you can get a listing of all members. However, note that this is a private page and you must be a member of SMGA in order to access the member list. Note also that a list of the new golf rules in 2019 have been appended to the page. These are the primary changes to SMGA's website brought about as a result of the Tournament Manager program. Future tutorials will discuss how to sign up for an individual event as well as for a partner event.